Hello, third graders. This is Miss Fortney. We have been learning a lot about fact and opinion in reading, and now it's time to learn about fact and opinion in our writing. What I want to do is remind you that a fact can be proven to be true or false, and an opinion is something a person thinks, feels, or believes. When we write about our opinions, we're going to use the Oreo method. I love Oreos, don't you? So, when we outline using the Oreo method, the first sentence is the O, and that's when you introduce your opinion. The next three sentences, we're going to do the middle yummy part, and that's going to be giving the three reasons that support your opinion or evidence, and then you're going to restate your opinion. So we're going to give that a try. So, the first sentence is your opinion, as I just said, and there are several ways to start your paragraph. Take a look at the arrow here. It says you could say, in my opinion, I believe, I think, I prefer, I feel, or my favorite. I'm going to start out a writing. In my opinion, Wendy's has the best French fries. So that's my first sentence to my opinion paragraph. Let's go to the middle part, okay? We're going to use transition words to introduce the three reasons. So if you look at our green arrow again, we have some sentence starters, to start with another reason, more importantly, in particular, additionally, in other words, one example, or for example. So here's what I wrote for my three reasons I think Wendy's has the best fries. For example, they have just the right amount of sea salt. Most importantly, they are delicious, dipped in a Frosty. And last, they are always hot. Now we're ready for that final O. The final sentence is restating your opinion. Okay? Again, let's look at that green arrow. Here are some different ways you could start that last sentence. Okay? Everyone should, as you can see, all in all, now you will agree, it is clear that we would all be better off if. So my last sentence, it says, now you know why Wendy's fries are the best. Sorry about that, I have an extra no in there. A little mistake there. Let's look at our paragraph all put together now, okay? In my opinion, Wendy's has the best French fries. For example, they have just the right amount of sea salt. Most importantly, they are delicious, dipped in a Frosty. Last, they are always hot. Now you know why Wendy's fries are the best. And there's that extra no again. Sorry about that. We're going to go to our assignments now, and you're going to have a chance to write your own paragraph. Talk to you later.